In a very beautiful forest there was a little brown monkey named Momo sitting on a branch, eating a banana, and a little raccoon named Ruru. Momo and Ruru walked together on a small forest path, carrying small backpacks on their backs. They looked excited, pointing at the map with a smile. They spotted a porcupine cub stuck among the thorny bushes. Momo shakes a twig. Ruru pushes the thorn slowly to help the porcupine. After that, Momo, Ruru, and the porcupine sat in a circle on the grass, making a small party with some animals in the forest. And the next day Momo and Ruru walked home at sunset. They looked tired but happy.